Hello, my name is Gary Tucker. I am one of the physical therapists at Sky Rehab. Today I would like to talk to you about the diagnosis of spinal cord injury and how we at Sky can be a part of the recovery process. The spinal cord is part of the central nervous system, along with the brain. Our brain and body communicate by sending signals through the spinal cord. When the spinal cord suffers an injury, it affects the ability of your brain and body to communicate, which can result in changes to your movement, feeling, bladder control, and other bodily functions. These changes depend on where and how badly your spinal cord was injured. Many types of injuries and diseases can cause spinal cord injury or dysfunction, including motor vehicle accidents, falls, acts of violence, sports and recreation injuries, and diseases such as cancer, arthritis, osteoporosis, and inflammation of the spinal cord. Every spinal cord injury exhibits a unique presentation and therefore requires an individualized treatment plan. At Sky, we tailor our treatment approach to the needs of each individual patient. Our interdisciplinary team performs evaluations to determine the area and severity of a patient's deficits, and then establishes a comprehensive plan of treatment with appropriate goals to facilitate restoration of maximum functional mobility and independence. In addition to providing the most appropriate therapy services to each patient, we also incorporate family teaching into the delivery of care to ensure a successful transition back to the home environment. A patient's need for rehabilitation services often doesn't end when they're ready to discharge home. In the event that ongoing therapy services are needed, we also provide outpatient therapy services to ensure that each patient reaches their maximum potential and that they and their loved ones are equipped with the knowledge and skills to ensure a return to a healthy and happy life.